guys, today I'm doing the unboxing for the Amazon wheel spacers for the Cadillac Escalade 08 year. There is a 1.5 inch offset. They're pretty thick. And same right here. The only concern that I have is right here. It says it's I will post you what the size is here and what sizes is on the hub, and I think it's supposed to be fit, but they're pretty light for the, it's not really heavy. So here's the sizes. Let's install it. Okay, so we need to leave the Escalade. Let's get the hubcap off. Power tools. Let's get 22. Okay, so my concern is right here, so let's see if it will fit it. Okay, looks good. Just like so. Looks pretty good. Let's test fit it. Let's try to use the original lug nuts. Oh wow, they do actually fit. They're good. So what you have to do to use yeah, there's the problems. Okay, here's the first problems, but maybe I have to. Okay, so problem is actually solved. Okay, so the originals will go right here, and you would have to use 19mm socket. Actually goes right inside there. So let's put the black nuts inside, and our originals is going outside. The next thing, need to worry about this thingy when to install on a. Actually, let's just try it. Let's test those spacers on the actual rim itself. If this middle part will actually feed the rim. These are original wheels. Let's go here. Those chrome wheels are so heavy. Yep, they actually fit. On the other side, plenty of space for the lug nuts. Okay, let's install this spacers. So you have to have a thread lock. I would recommend the red one. So put a track lock, or how do you call it? So it will not untie. Definitely, so it will not untie. So also they're kind of a shape, like a triangle shape, 14 by 1.5. So first just do very snug, I mean light. So I know where is the center point. Okay. Looks good. Let's install the wheel back. So as I'm saying again, it's a 1.5 inch out. So install all 6 lug nuts. And I can see already that it's actually sticking out. Sticking out good. So probably 1.5 inch was kind of too much. Just make sure with those holes you matching your spoke. Let's do same thing for the other side too, for the rear. Okay, so I just installed the rear. So the rear spacers are in also. So you can see them right here. That's how it looks like it. The front looks way off. The rear looks okay, but the front is way too much. Let's test it like to drive front and rear, and let's see. This is how it's ended up looking. So if I would do for Escalade, I would do maximum 1 inch is on the rear and maybe ½ inch is on the front. Let's see on the other side. Or I would not even do the front, maybe like a little bit, maybe, but the rear there is very tucked in. So if you notice it, it's inside and here is good, but a little bit out, but the front is way out.